Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. Today I want to review with you the new feature of the OlympTrade broker called AI-powered strategies. Let's see if these artificial intelligence strategies can give us good signals and whether we can make a profit using this tool in this broker or not. So stay with me until the end of the video. Well, as you know, OlympTrade is an old broker in the binary options market and has a longer history than many brokers you know. But recently it has made various updates to its trading platform and is trying to be up to date in terms of providing services and features. For example, the possibility of 5-second trading in all OTC currency pairs has been added to this broker, an important option that did not exist before, and you could only trade in under a minute in 4 symbols. Also, for some time now, it has added the ability to trade floats in 1 minute to all OTC currency pairs, whereas previously it was not possible to trade floats in time periods under 2 minutes. And for about a month, the use of the initial bonus to recharge the account has been added to this broker, and you can use the bonus up to 90% to charge the account. But the topic we are discussing today is that this broker has recently started operating in the field of trading with artificial intelligence. One of the sections that it has recently added to its services is the AI-powered strategies option, which of course it is currently developing and will definitely release many strategies based on AI in the future. Currently, there are 3 strategies available for use, all 3 of which are similar, and the only difference between them is the time frame of the candles and the trading time. Smart RSI 15 seconds, Smart RSI 30 seconds, and Smart RSI 60 seconds. If I click on Smart RSI 15 seconds, you will see that there are some explanations about this strategy. A video is also visible here. If you click on it, you can watch the video tutorial on using this strategy. To use the signals of this strategy, the time candles must be set to 5 seconds and the time trade to 15 seconds. As well, it is explained here that the waiting time for each signal to appear will not be more than 2 minutes. But the period of the RSI oscillator on the 5-second time frame will be 5. Of course, you can also use this strategy on the PocketOption and Quotex brokers, but you have to look for the signals yourself. Now I will test all 3 strategies to see if it is just an advertising tool or if it can really be useful and profitable. I click Enable Strategy and you can see that the candlestick time has changed to 5 seconds. We need to set the trade time to 15 seconds. Don't forget that since your trade time is 15 seconds, you can only use this strategy in the OTC market. But on what basis does this strategy give us signals? Pay attention. Whenever the main line RSI crosses the overbought area downwards, it shows us a sell signal. And whenever the main line RSI crosses the oversold area upwards, it gives us a buy signal. And displays a green arrow, and here we can also see the phrase up signal. Note that trading on a lower time frame always carries more risk. So I reduce my trade size to 20 and make a few trades with smart RSI 15 seconds. We wait for it to give us signals. As soon as the green arrow appears, I enter the higher trade. Okay, we are waiting. I am trying to find the suitable currency pair to trade. It showed me a sell signal. You see, and I entered the lower trade. This is from the second trade. I entered 2 lower trades. It showed me a buy signal. As you can see, all the trades are now closed in a loss. I close the tool. Let's go to Smart RSI 30 seconds. The description of this strategy says that the trading time should be set to 30 seconds and the candlestick time to 10 seconds, and the RSI period is 10. I add it to the chart and change the trading time to 30 seconds. So the strategy gave me a sell signal, and I entered the lower trade. Now we are waiting for the signal to appear. You see, I entered the higher position with the buy signal. It seems that with the increase in the time frame, the strategy's win rate improved. Now let's look at the last strategy, Smart RSI, 60 seconds. The candle time in this strategy is set to 20 seconds, and the trading time is set to 60 seconds. I will enable this. Set the trading time to a fixed minute. Of course, with the increase in the time frame, we will need more time to find each signal. It remains to be seen how the result will be on this time frame. But so far this tool is not reliable. We are waiting for the signal to appear. So the strategy gave me a sell signal, and I entered the lower trade. Okay, as you can see, the signals of these strategies are still not useful and reliable enough and are more of an advertising tool. Dear friends, do not forget that no strategy, no signaling tool, and no indicator can act on the power of your knowledge and experience. And no success and change is achieved easily and without effort. You can achieve results by relying on the knowledge you gain, the exercises you do, the effort you make, and you should not leave your capital and time in the hands of AI trading. Finally, if more updates are made to these tools in the future and the results change, I will definitely post a new video about it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and send the channel link to your friends. To register for Olymp Trade, use the registration link below the video and receive up to 90% bonus for the initial deposit. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, goodbye.